My son's fallen down the cliff and I think he broke his femur.
Okay, love, I'm going to get you some help.
RAC rescue helicopters helping from above, saving countless lives each year.
At the moment he touched down, it just went calm, and then it went to hell again.
Got the call, and then I think within 10 minutes we were airborne.
He was just doing everything possible to keep him alive. He wouldn't have lived without them.
It is really important to the outcomes of the community.
We just had complete trust in them and complete trust that they were the best possible people to be looking after our son.
Real life rescues, inspirational stories. 9 News Perth presents Helicopter Heroes, coming soon to 9.